I started doing my own nails because salons would do me really dirty. Once I started doing my nails, it was like I had the power, I had the control of everything that I wanted on my nails, and that just felt so nice. But doing nail art became more than just a way to make my nails look pretty. It was a chance where I got to express myself and be creative. And it just became like a form of self-care for me, and it was like a free therapy session. And now I get to share that with all of you, and I love that because nail art just isn't for the pros. Anyone can create stunning nail designs with a little bit of practice, some imagination, and inspiration. So go ahead, get inspired, and let your nails be your canvas.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds.
Natural nails this much with just one product, and that's the beauty of builder gel. This is how I apply it. I start off by prepping my natural nails by using a cuticle softener and pushing back my cuticles. As always, prepping is key, so I make sure to get rid of any dead skin on my nail plate. Then I use a nail buffer to lightly buff my natural nails, just to kind of remove the shine and add a little bit of grit to my natural nail for the gel to adhere to. I grab a lint-free wipe and some isopropyl alcohol and wipe down my nails to get rid of any dust. Apply dehydrator to get rid of any oils on my nail plate. Now it's time for the star of the show. First, I apply a thin layer of gel. I don't cure, then I take a glob of gel and push it up the cuticle and sway from side to side. Then I'll take any excess and drag it down the nail. This will build the apex and ultimately give it strength and keep it from breaking. Give it a couple seconds to self-level. Then I do a side view check to make sure I'm happy with the apex, and if I am, I'll flash cure for about 10 to 20 seconds. I repeat the same steps on all the other nails, and at the end I do a full cure of 60 seconds. Wipe off the tacky layer with an alcohol prep pad. Let's grow our natural nails together, and let me know if you will be trying this.
Inside your bedroom, we stopped counting the days lost in